Hello everyone! I hope you're all doing well since the last video. Today we're going to talk about one of the most popular high-tech gadgets of 2021, the drone. There are so many drones out there that finding the best one can be a real obstacle course. However, it's not an impossible mission. Before telling more, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to activate that notification bell to be informed when we publish new videos. Let's go ahead and discover together the 7 best high-tech drones of 2021 on Amazon. It's hard to talk about drones in 2021 without mentioning the Para-Anafi work model. Thanks to its ultra-compact size, you can take it anywhere with you. Its camera, with 180-degree orientation and its 12-megapixel 4K HDR camera, ensures realistic images. This model also has a very good zoom. This allows you to capture your images and videos over long distances without losing quality. For this, the camera uses 3-axis hybrid image stabilization and renders ultra-stable photos and videos. Its USB Nomad charging mode is also convenient. It allows you to quickly charge your camera and use it immediately. Regarding its autonomy, this drone is powerful. You can use it continuously for 25 minutes and capture beautiful images and videos. In addition, its flight is silent and you're not bothered by noises during use. It should also be noted that this device is easy to handle. It works with a Freelight 6 mobile app, so all you have to do is install it on your smartphone to control your drone. The application allows you to enjoy several features. This is the case of automatic flight modes, reconnaissance missions, home returns, etc. However, some of these features are not free. You'll have to purchase them from the app to benefit from them. The drone is also compatible with the Pix 4D model app. In fact, it includes a 1-year subscription to the app so that you can create 3D models on your computer. We continue our selection of high-tech drones on Amazon with the aTech Dreamer model. It is equipped with a powerful sensor, 1/3 CMO. The latter incorporates an automatic and powerful exposure function that allows you to take high-resolution images. The sensor of this drone is also equipped with an anti-shake ball that reduces vibrations during the flight. The latter guarantees you clear and smooth 4K images as it restores exactly the scene you're shooting. Its powerful brushless motor is very practical. Thanks to this motor, the drone can operate in temperatures between 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Moreover, it can withstand extreme weather conditions. With this performance, one might think that this drone is energy consuming. However, this is not the case. In fact, its engine incorporates a 3000 mAh 4S battery. This one allows you to use your device continuously for 31 minutes. In addition, it recharges completely in 2 hours. Another strong point of this drone is its ease of use. It can be assembled in just 10 seconds and you can use it immediately. Moreover, thanks to the aTech Pro application and the ergonomic remote control provided, you can easily manage the flight of your drone. Finally, its multifunctional nature is an asset that you will appreciate. On this drone, you'll be able to configure the circle flight, the automatic return, the flight in focus, and many other functions. The DJI Mavic 2 Zoom drone has a super resolution of 48 megapixels. Equipped with a 48mm telephoto lens, its camera is able to take up to 9 shots. The photos are realistic, clear and sharp, and you can enjoy excellent image quality. Moreover, this super resolution is complemented by a 12-megapixel sensor and an excellent 4x zoom. The combination of these features allows you to improve the parallax effect of your shots for a nice natural look. This drone is equipped with a flight autonomy system which is very intuitive. It allows you to enjoy excellent propulsion power and a discreet and silent flight. In addition, the power consumption of the device is reduced to allow you to use it longer. Note that the drone also integrates the dolly zoom technology. This technology automatically adjusts the focus in flight and adds distortion and intensifies visual effects to your videos. This way you can make more creative videos. On the other hand, you should know that this drone works only with Android 5.0 systems or a more recent version. The Lanwu drone has a long range. It can go up to 500 meters, which allows you to capture images and videos over a long distance. For this, it has a good autonomy of 35 minutes. This is more than enough time for you to film everything you want. Of course, its use is safe and intuitive. The device is equipped with the functionality of return to the house. This is convenient because it prevents you from losing the drone during the flight. You can activate it when you're done using the device or if your battery is low. This drone has an intuitive 3-axis micro gimbal. It gives you a better stabilization of your images and videos. They are sharper, more precise, and without blur. Also, its foldable and compact design is practical. You can easily carry your camera from one place to another. For more optimal use, you can easily take over the flight control of your drone via your phone. Small, light, fast, and efficient are the words that describe the Xeno 2 Plus drone by Hubsan. You'll be able to handle it easily and enjoy the excellent image quality. Thanks to it, you can enjoy a good photo and video panorama to make good captures. In panorama mode, you have the possibility to find settings for automatic photo and video capture. On this drone, you can also customize your flight path. It has 4 flight modes including Comet, Line Flight, Waypoint, and Orbit. They allow you to benefit from a framed, precise, autonomous, and personalized shooting. The functionalities of this drone are very numerous. It incorporates image identification that allows to automatically locate and record the movements of the target you are capturing. It also has night view mode that allows you to use it at night. Thanks to this, the drone benefits from a faster shutter speed. It also collects more light for better image quality. Its 3-axis metal gimbal is very practical and ensures the stability of the drone. This way, you enjoy sharper images regardless of the capture angle. The aTech Robotics Evo 2 Pro drone is complete. It comes with propellers, batteries, remote control, SD card, battery, and a hard plastic case. All the equipment you need for its installation is available. It has a 1-inch CMOS sensor that allows you to capture beautiful 20 megapixel still images and HDR videos. In addition, its adjustable aperture and iOS sensitivity allow you to capture professional quality 6K images and videos. This device has 12 optical sensors and 2 sonar sensors, very practical. The latter protects your drone from flying risks and allows you to avoid obstacles. Regarding its performance, it has a very good autonomy. Unlike many models on the market, this one has a 7,100 mAh aircraft battery and a 5,000 mAh remote control battery. These allow the drone to operate for 40 minutes at a time. In addition, 2 batteries are provided so that you never run out of battery life when filming. Note also that its range is very long. You'll be able to capture images and videos at 9 kilometers. We finished our selection with the WY-ZXR drone. It has a 2-axis mechanical gimbal that ensures its stability during flight. It reduces vibration and blur so you can enjoy sharp images. In addition, its GPS-assisted flight mode allows you to receive precise positioning information. You will know exactly where your device is for better piloting. Also, the drone has the atomic return function. When the signal or battery is low, it returns to you, so you do not run the risk of losing it. Another big highlight of this drone is its compatibility with 5G Wi-Fi connectivity. You can connect your device to its dedicated mobile app via your smartphone. This will allow you to capture and retransmit your images or videos in real time. As for its battery life, the drone can operate continuously for 30 minutes. In addition, it is silent. Folks, we're coming to the end of our drone video. If you liked it, feel free to like it. Before we go, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. As for me, I hope to see you very soon for a new video.